There are hundreds of thousands of farm kids who have lived this way, drinking raw milk, and are fine. This is called survivorship bias. It's when you concentrate on those that made it and overlook those that didn't because of their lack of visibility. Because they didn't make it.
Because they didn't make it? Who on earth do you think is dying from raw milk? But according to the CDC, only 3 people in 20 years died from raw milk. Given that 11 million people drink raw milk each year, that gives you about a 1 in 73 million chance. But if that's survivorship bias, let's take a look at a couple other common things that must also be survivorship bias. Vending machines. Do you know that about 4% of US adults utilize vending machines? About the same as raw milk. Yet between 2 and 13 people die every single year, making your chance of dying from a vending machine between 10 and 90 times more likely. Survivorship bias. Lightning. Did you know your odds of being struck by lightning are about 1 in a million? That equates to about 270 people a year. 10% of those people die, which means 27 people die from lightning strike. Survivorship bias. And my personal favorite, plant-based milk. Roughly 30% of Canadians drink plant-based milk, and in a country of 40 million people, it means that's about the same number as people in the United States that drink raw milk. Yet 3 people died from 1 single outbreak, which means Dr. Sarcopenia himself suffers from survivorship bias.